Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to share a video how I curl my hair. Most of you have been asking like how do I curl my hair, what hair tools, what is the brand, and do I keep the heat all the way up, what kind of sermon I use to protect my hair from the heat. And also I'm just going to be showing you how I curl my hair. So if you guys want to know how my curls turn out, just keep on watching. And if you guys are new, my name is Thalia Reyes and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel down below and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos of mine. So if you guys want to know how to get these curls, just keep on watching. If it looks kind of a little bit dark, it's because it's a little raining outside, and yeah, so I just have the lights on. You can see my reflecting shadow, but oh well, right? So let's get on to the video. What I use to curl my hair is this curling iron by Hot Tools Professional. It's gold and I like to use it as a wand because not only it's not too curly, but it gives you those nice wavy curls, which I love a lot. And normally it gives you an option how curling iron to be super hot. So the heat goes to 280, 330, and then 380 and 430. So of course I don't want my hair to get burned up and smell like fire. So normally I like to keep it to 330 degrees instead of 430 because it is a very strong heat. I'm gonna put a little head. So I'm just gonna turn on my curling iron, and I think I got this curling iron at Ulta, and I think it was for $69, but honestly I don't remember. I'm pretty sure they still sell it at Ulta, JCPenney, Kohl's, Target probably, yeah, those stores. So while that heats up a little, I am going to take my Palm Mitchell Skinny Sermon. This is actually when you about to curl your hair, straighten it. I always like to add one pump, and then with my hands I'm just going to go like down my length of my hair, and I like to add it because that's where the heats mostly get on, to the bottom length of your hair. Normally probably like right here just a little bit, but not really here because I don't really try to heat up more on my top hair. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take half of my hair, probably like this much of hair, and then the top hair I'm just going to grab like a hair tie, and I'm just going to tie that up. And the bottom hair I'm actually going to comb it just a little bit so it won't be any tangles. So I'm just gonna grab like a little half, and I'm just gonna go section by section. I'm really probably like this much will do it, this curling iron, but I'm gonna go down, and because you really don't want to go like this, prevent yourself from burning your ear or you know, stuff like that. So you're just gonna go down and you're just gonna wrap it like if it was a wand. That's how I normally curled my hair. It's been a habit lately, but yeah, so that's how I curl my hair. And just wait like, I don't know, 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you know. And there is your curl. That's pretty much it. I normally don't like super like curly hair. I liked it to be just like wavy, you know, type of hair. So I don't know how to use this with the clip on and then you just roll it. I don't know how to use this, so I technically use it as a wand because it's thick and it just gives me this beautiful wavy curly kind of hair. Not too curly, but also like a wavy hair. And it's also great, I can do like beachy waves with this. Yeah, beachy. That sounded so funny. So I'm just gonna go to the next one since I already got my curls right here. I am going to take another section, probably this much, and just gonna do the same thing. You let go, and voila, you get this very nice curly. It's like I said, it's not too curly. You're doing the other rests, and yeah. So basically the curling iron is going like, and you want your section of hair to go like curled up like in front. I'm not very good at explaining, but you know, basically that's what I'm doing. Let it go. Yep. And then you just continue to curl. So I'm just gonna take this piece and just make sure you don't burn your ear. Normally I always burn my ear. It hurts, honestly, especially when you burn your finger. But normally I don't go all the way because obviously I don't have a glove to protect myself. Plus, I don't want it to be curled all the way. I just wanted to have this kind of like halfway end, like this piece of hair. Because obviously I just wanted to get that very nice curled. But yeah, that's how, as you can see, it goes like this. So it gives that very nice curled. And it's basically going like forward, you know. Hopefully this helps, guys. But yeah, so you just continue. Make sure you don't burn yourself because, you know, your skin, your ear, your fingers are more important than curling your hair. But yeah, so you just continue. So there you go. So this is basically how I curl my hair from the front. So, and then the end, it has to, like, it's not really curled up, so it's like kind of like a wavy hair. So I'm just gonna do the same thing with the other side. Take a section, and this one's kind of hard on this side, but basically you're just gonna like, I don't want to burn myself, but you just curl it. Just let it go. Like the song, let it go. It's gonna continue doing the same thing. Just halfway like this. You don't have to curl the whole thing. The loose, wavy curls, you know, that's what I'm going for. I mean, that's what I like. Just gonna let that go. And yeah, so I'm just gonna continue going by sections, and pretty much it. So I'm gonna continue doing this just halfway, and make sure the wand is pointing like upside down. You want your curl to be curled in the right direction, so the wand have to be pointing down. Just the length of your hair, it needs to be like not all the way curled in the wand, and then you just let it go. Honestly, for me, curling my hair, it takes 15 or 20 minutes. And you're just gonna point it down, and there you go. You get that super pretty wavy hair. I love it. This is kind of hair that I like. But you guys should definitely try it, see how it turns out. So I'm just gonna do the same thing. The top, I think I'm gonna do that for the last video because it's very different. So you're just gonna grab another section. So same thing on the other section. Your wand is gonna be facing down, and and you're just pointing, the wand's pointing down, just half of your hair of the end of the length. And yeah, so I'm just gonna finish this section, and then at the end I'm going to when I finish the top of my length, I'm going to do the front because the front is going to be a little bit different. So I'll just, you know, finish this and we will get back to you. I'm done curling the rest of my hair, we are going to start from the top, because I feel like it is a little bit different and you have to like decide how you want your style. So obviously I have no like bangs. I do have one, this little one, but I just like to go halfway where you want your style to be. I think I have the line, so this is how I want it to be. So this side, I am just going to grab my hair tie. I'm going to grab my comb and just gonna split it in half. There we go. So I'm gonna take this section, and obviously I'm not gonna heat it up all the way here, it's just gonna be halfway. So I'm just gonna take it like this, basically this much. I'm not gonna go all the way in because I don't want it to be this too much curly. So I'm just gonna go like this, and basically, oh, be careful, I almost burned my finger, oh my goodness. Okay, so this is much you're gonna like stay away from your top roots. You really don't want to damage that, and I just don't like to be near of my roots. I just want it to be more healthier, more shinier, and yeah, so this is how much I go far away from my roots, and just half of my piece, and then so I'm just gonna continue the same thing on this side. So I'm just gonna go half, and same thing, instead like I'm gonna go down away from my roots and then just curl it. Ooh, whoops. If that happens, just do the same thing and make sure it's not all the way. And so I don't want to be that curly in the front. So I'm just gonna take half away and like away from my forehead, basically. Which I do. I don't curl it all the way in the top. I try to leave like at least like in a half inch to stay away from my roots, because I just don't want it to be that curly. Just want it to be natural, beautiful curls. But that's what I normally do, you know. So I'm just gonna do the same thing on this side. And then for the front, you're just gonna stay away like in a half inch of your roots and just normally do the same thing what I did on the other side. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And for the last piece, since I have this little piece of hair right here, I am gonna add hairspray, because obviously it's gonna be like sticking out a little bit, and it just really annoys me a lot. So I'm just gonna take this cone right here, which is more like a bigger cone, and I'm just gonna comb my hair. I know that's gonna like bring down the curls, but I just like it because, you know, it's just give you that extra wavy hair, which I like a lot. Is like, it's not too curly, and it's just give that very nice wavy shiny hair, but I just like it how it looks. And you're just gonna comb the back as well, because you don't want it to get tangled or looks kind of weird. So I'm gonna be taking this hairspray right here, and I actually got this at Target. I think it's like $7.99, or I'm not so sure, but I'm just gonna spray my hair. Just gonna add hairspray where I have the little tiniest hairs like this one, and I just like to tuck it inside of my hair because it's just so annoying, guys. And I'm just gonna hairspray the top of my roots because I do have lots of baby hairs. I just want to be part of this family, you know. Just gonna hairspray. I don't like to add too much hairspray, just a little. And that's how I curled my hair, guys. It's super easy, very simple. We all have different techniques how to curl hair. I do it in a weird kind of way, but that's how I learned. More like a 3-inch, which is thicker. It gives me this big wavy curls, which I love a lot. So it's really nice. And heat tools is always important to use some kind of like sermon or heat protection spray, anything for your hair, because your hair is very important. You know, you don't want to get so many split ends. You don't want to look dry, damaged, and it's just I like to keep my hair very nice, very healthy. That's why it's always shiny, but I do have a little bit split ends. But always use kind of heat protection for your hair. So honestly guys, that's how I curl my hair. It's pretty easy. So I hope you guys enjoy my video. Please do not forget to like and give it a big thumbs up. That will mean so much to me. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.